How to withdraw from Coinbase. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Coinbase on your device and log into your account. After that, at the bottom you'll find transfer option. Click on transfer at the bottom. Click on withdraw cash, which is the last option. Then click on continue to withdraw. After that, add how much you want to withdraw. Then click on transfer to at the bottom. You'll find all your bank connected. Simply select the one from which you want to withdraw and press on preview at the bottom. After you have pressed on preview, click on withdraw cash now at the bottom. After that, you're good to go. As you can see, your cash out request was sent. Will notify you when your cash out request is completed. You can also check your account for updates. This is how to withdraw from Coinbase. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.